Boys, look how low my rear tire is, man. That's actually less than 1/32 of an inch. You know, I swear to God, somebody's using this when I'm not home. Either that or I didn't notice how low that was. But yeah, we're going to have to get a rear tire. I mean, that is the original since 2006. Anyway, I was up all night wiring this up. I got the wire coming out of here. This is all set up temporarily. We got our switch in. I might paint the copper black. I might do that. I might just leave it like it is. Okay, now the horn works with the key turned on or with it turned off. It doesn't matter. I think I have to adjust the horn a little bit. So now the next thing we're going to do, see the way this works, that's where it comes out of. Okay, all the wires come in here, they come out of here, they come down here, then they go underneath the tank, and there's a tube in here where there's an opening, then they come out here. Now what I got to do next is I have to buy some silver or chrome wire loom, and we'll run the wire loom all the way up. Sorry, we'll run the wire loom to where it's coming out of here. I need a 1/4 inch wire loom, and then we'll tuck it where these go. So the wire loom will probably look like these. It'll look like the steel braid. And that's it. So yeah, I think I have to adjust the horn a little bit. You know, I might even replace it, I don't know. Now, I bought a fuse and I bought a relay. I can't find them. I have no idea where they are. Because I was going to finish this tonight, so I had to send away for another fuse and another relay kit. And then once that comes in, we can permanently wire this up and I'll have a working horn at least. And I have to play with the horn a little bit to get it to sound a little bit better. So, but that looks pretty good, guys. You know, I was able to use the same location. You know, I mean, I'll be honest with you, I like that button better than original. And there's our horn button. Now, I'll tell you another thing I did. I found one of these assemblies on eBay for $50. It comes with the aluminum housing and the guts. I grabbed it. So whenever I find somebody that can wire this up to the existing horn circuit, I'll switch out the silicone hickey in back of here and I'll have them hook it up. I mean, you know what? In a way, that sounds kind of cool because it sounds like an old Model T horn. But I'm going to see if I can get it to sound a little bit louder. Okay, I'll see y'all later.